Welcome to another video, welcome to the channel. I've got a new cameraman and I don't know if this is working, but I'm using external mics connected to the iPhone, and this is the new DJI Neo 2 and it's in follow mode, which is kind of cool. So I'm going to have just a quick fly around. It's been absolutely crazily windy lately. But let's just have a quick fly around. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Mama, sweet advice always did me right. She said the simple things are the best things in life. She had a recipe that she gave to me. She said, boy, if you do what I say, you'll be alright, alright. Just add a quarter tank of gas with nowhere to be, a spoonful of sugar in your sweet tea. Mix out the love with a girl in the church you love, yeah, you love. 4 cups of whiskey on a double day with a splash of playing hooky hanging out on the lake. A kiss in the sun and a dog out of line, yeah, you know that's what dreams are made of. When I get caught up in the Joneses truck, I can still hear a voice saying, boy, you got enough. Listen up. Just add a quarter tank of gas with nowhere to be, a spoonful of sugar in your sweet tea. Mix out the mud with a girl in the church you love, yeah, you love. 4 cups of whiskey on a double day with a splash of playing hooky hanging out on the lake. A kiss in the sun and a dog out of line, yeah, you know that's my dreams. Not a house in the hills or a new Corvette, be a public figure in a private jet, a penthouse suite at the top of the town. At the end of the day, it'll all come down to mama's sweet advice. Always did me right. She said the simple things are the best things in life. Yeah, they are. Just add a quarter tank of gas with nowhere to be, a spoonful of sugar in your sweet tea. Mix out the love with a girl in the church you love, yeah, you love. 4 cups of whiskey on a double day with a splash of playing hooky hanging out on the lake. A kiss in the sun and a dog out of line, yeah, you know all my dreams are a house full of hugs and a whole lot of love, yeah, you know that's what dreams are made of. That's what dreams are made of.
Well, I think that was really good, and it worked out quite well. And yeah, certainly a lot better than the Neo 1. The only negative things that I don't like about this at the moment is the back antenna. It's going to be very difficult for us content creators to actually pack it in a bag without breaking them off. Why couldn't they put like a clip on or something like that, you know, where you release a clip? Instead, we've got to take a screwdriver with us all the time to unrelease it. And I don't know if you've noticed, I think whoever's designed this has designed it for you to charge in the 3 batteries. I've only got the 1 battery. With the transmitter on the back there, to plug the charging lead in, you have to turn the drone upside down and you can't see how it's charging. So I don't know.